everyone, welcome back to the channel Gyani Baba. Today we are going to discuss more important MCQs for your B.Ed final exams. This time another topic has been taken up, knowledge and curriculum, that is paper 1. So first question for today. Knowledge derived through 5 senses and reasoning is Apar Vidya, Par Vidya, Nirvan, Aranyakas. So option B is correct, Par Vidya. In a constructivist or progressive classroom, knowledge is constructed by the learner, knowledge is passively received by the learner, knowledge is reproduced by the learner as it is, knowledge is recalled by the learner as per instructions of the teacher. Option A is correct, knowledge is constructed by the learner. Constructivist approach suggests that dash is crucial for constructing knowledge. Prior knowledge of the learner, conditioning, punishment, rote memorization. So answer is option A, prior knowledge of the learner. When adults adjust the support to extend the child's current level of performance, it is called discovery learning, modeling, scaffolding, intersubjectivity. So answer is option C, scaffolding. Which of the following is Piagetian construct in the context of cognitive development of children? Schemas, observational learning, conditioning, reinforcement. So option A is correct, schemas. Giving cues to children and offering support as and when needed is an example of reinforcement, conditioning, modeling, scaffolding. तो वही सपोर्ट हम देते हैं बच्चे को. D is correct, option D, scaffolding. Which of the following statement is incorrect for constructivist classroom? Pursuit of student question and interest is valid. Teacher's role is interactive, rooted in negotiation. Teacher have a dialogue with students, helping students construct their own knowledge. Assessment is through testing or correct answers. So इसमें से क्या incorrect है for constructivist classroom? Option D is incorrect. Assessment is through testing and correct answers. तो हमेशा constructivist classroom में assessment जो है वो observation based होती है. ये जो testing और correct answer की assessment होती है ये traditional classroom में की जाती है. तो option D is correct. Which theory helps the children in the process of memorization? Constructivist theory, discovery learning, social learning theory, none of the above. Discovery learning is the correct answer, option B. जब बच्चा according to this theory जब बच्चा खुद discover करेगा तो उसको अपने आप ही चीज़ें अच्छे से ध्यान में रहेंगी. Who introduced discovery learning? Vygotsky, Piaget, Skinner, Brunner. So who introduced? Option D is correct, Brunner introduced discovery learning, Jerome Brunner. According to Piaget, the basic building blocks of knowledge, intelligent behavior is called. Basic building blocks of knowledge क्या होते हैं बताने हमें? Schemas, adaptation, assimilation, none of the above. So option A is correct, schemas. Schemas are the basic building blocks of knowledge. Which of the following statement is correct for the spiral curriculum? A concept widely attributed to Jerome Brunner. Students revisit the same topic several times throughout their school career. Revisited topics should be learned at deeper level and explore more complexity. All of the above. So ये तीनों ही options जो हैं बिल्कुल correct हैं for spiral curriculum. So all of the above is the correct answer. A belief is dash and truth is dash. Reason or information, rational or valuable, acceptance or fact? None of the above. So option C is correct. Acceptance and fact. A belief is acceptance and truth is fact. In Brunerian classroom, computers are referred to as scaffolding, a model, both A and B, none of the above. तो वो अकॉर्डिंग टू ब्रूनर जो क्लासरूम में कंप्यूटर्स होंगे वो क्या है, स्कैफोल्डिंग ही है, जिससे बच्चा और ज़्यादा मदद लेके अपने जो लेवल है ऑफ परफॉर्मेंस उसको और ज़्यादा एक्सटेंड कर सकता है. तो इट इज़ स्कैफोल्डिंग. What is the role of teacher in teaching learning situations? They must play the role of a facilitator. They must guide the students in constructivism and in discovering the knowledge. Teachers create situations in which students will question their own and each other's assumptions. All of the above. So answer D is correct. All of the above. वो ये सारे ही जो रोल हैं टीचर के होते हैं in teaching learning process. Which of the following philosophies are based on theory of coherence regarding truth? Idealism and constructionism, naturalism and realism, pragmatism, none of the above. So answer option A is correct. Idealism and constructionism. It is based, these philosophies are based on theory of coherence regarding truth and knowledge. So guys, that's all for today. If you want more such videos, please let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel.